Nakagasta ko Robux. Cute, no? Wala pa kapalit og naong kay nahutdan ko Robux. I mean, itong tag 59 lang man yung gipalit. Just 80 Robux lang. And I think mga lakaw na meron. Bye-bye.
Ato yung post ko. Ikaw mo din. ABC pa man yung picture.
Nakansel ako lakaw guys. Kaya naging talikman pa ni Papa. Nakadeside sila lang kung maglalaw. Diri? Kata? Sure ba? Kalimot ba ako sa dalan diri?
Asa di ang sari-sari?
Dira ah. Dito lagi. Okay. We're here na. Blank space. Mag-hot ka, ice.
Ice.
Ako din. Ha?
Or may iba pa kayo?
No, I'm good. Revel bar man yata yan.
Ikaw ay tila sining sa museong di naluluma. Pinipinig kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like...
Hi guys! Solo na mo ang blank space. Pundan kong data.
Butot, pangit. Sumot lang ang compliment. Binuang pangit.
Tanawa ilang cup. Cute jud siya.
I love it. Wala like,
Tanawa guys. Cute kayo ilang table. Naapa yung ani sa feral. And
wala ko pa.
sa mandas mag-go. I promise that I will never cut my hair again. And bangs. It's been 2 hours already. Dugay kaning isaw kami kabay. Any message for Jassy? Iwan. Tanaw na to unsay stock. Dapat mag-stock ang sugar apple, ang beanstalk, ug ang ember lily. Or else this bottle costs 20 pesos. Distilled ba siya? Mineral. Basta tubig. Girl, kabalo ka pila na may ka-oras, Dre. Sige, take your time. Gwapahan ni mo, oy. Jasmine.
Nakasisya na ba siya rin?
Ako, na-ready na akong flower. Or finally complete na.
directions every anger. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing.
Mag-photo booth me. Hi. Ano na? Kabalo ba mo? Like, 1K pics na to ba? Unya yung napili kay wala.
Wala, may kabalo.
Bugo asa diri man ta.
Where?
Dito.
Hi guys, let me take over the vlog. You hold the fun.
Okay, I hold the hi, thank you.
Hi guys, if you don't know me yet, you should know me. No lang. I was just joking. We're here sa photo booth. Show you.
Love you, girl.
This is the eyes. As you can see guys, it's really nice. Right? No? And this is the face card. Like,
Kabalo ba mo? Dapat na ako sa Jensen karon kung may nadayon.
no. Marian. Wow, wala siya mo.
Uy, 150 naman. Ako ang isa ka copy, B.
Oh, 150.
Ah, mistake. Ikaw, you're gonna keep the copy ba?
No, kailangan
Okay,
ka.
kita, isa-isa lang ta.
Guys, baka napatinga guys. Kayo na lang mag-check.
200. Ako na lang tayo. 200.
We gotta party like it's 2012 tonight. All the finest things in
Fight my savings, guys. Guys, fight my savings. Carla.
Exciting! It's so nice. It's so cute.
I forgot my baka may door.
Nagagawa lagi din.
Me, ain't on me, just on me, on me, cold on me, cold on me, on me, ain't on me, just on me, cold on me, cold on me.
Bagay si mga dyan. Sana, be? Pinalaki ka ba para maging basket? Yeah! Hindi na siya kababalag, hindi na siya makita.
Original mo lang.
Bakit ba?
Original. Can you share? Kidan.
May araw ka.
May araw ka rin sa amin. Ayun.
Sobrang your pagkaling nag-take ka. Ay, hindi.
Nya, natay gagi.
Delete na na, be? Oh,
Kaya nga nung i-birthday.
Hi guys. So, unfortunately, as of the moment, we already finished. Unfortunately pa talaga siya. Yeah.
Gaga.
We just finished taking photo booth. Tama ba?
So cute.
But I don't like my face, guys.
Hoy, Mary Ann, isa ako.
Burn. Agay ng buto ko.
Doing like 95 on the interstate, looking for a dinner plate. I'm hungry, you call me, say you got something and it's all me.
Jessie, where are we going next?
We are going to to ride a barge. No, ang ganda natin picture.
Hala, ang quest natin ngayon ay makalabas ng Obrero.
No, I know man, there are man straight. Straight lang jud siya. Ay, dili dahil mo familiar sa mga street sa Obrero?
Pili, taga South Baya, Minon.
Perks kay nakapuyo ko diri sa Obrero mga
Wow.
perks guys kay I live here for around 2 years. Ata.
Wow, really?
So titan ako. Guys, mag-20 na si Charlene.
Yes,
But
I'm turning 20 na!
she looks like a baby, guys. Yung mga outfit pang baby.
Yes,
Baby girl.
Me.
Guys, I really love my ano karon. Eye makeup, no?
Yeah, but your hair isn't giving.
Ano?
Yeah.
Digit giving ang hair, guys. Kaya wala man nakaayos, guys.
True, and my outfit is not giving.
No, it's giving, man. It's
No.
giving pantulog.
Yeah, it's giving pantulog. I'm supposed to go to Jensen actually, but they canceled, so I need plan B.
Ang bahala mo daw.
When?
No? Pass or pass.
Ay-
Gusto ko matugam-mugaway. Ay, Tumag Valley inspired na ano.
Manawari!
Manawari, dili ha mugaway. Obrero, the life is here. Kay daghan kay pasikot-sikot.
Yeah, and Daghan Cafes.
Dagang cafe kay there's a lot of student pa, di ba?
Holding. Kami na maguyab, guys.
Wait lang.
Life's better on Saturn. That's true.
Life's better in Davao.
Life's better on Davao, Saray. I'm collecting experiences.
As
It's
in?
really nice that you start with internship before ka mag-drop sa job. Kaya I'm still young and discovering what I really want in life. So, we're gonna ride a jeep barge.
Yes, guys.
By the way, mag-unsa ito sa Samal.
We're going to smell the breeze of the ocean, and that's basically it. And we're going to take cute pictures.
Yeah. Hata. My God. You guys are... Oh, sayaw na mga chayan! Sayaw na mga chayan!
Hi guys, we're going to Sama.
No, thank you! Very good.
Dai, pakunik ko, Dai. Ayun na lang. Ayun na. Nagbago ka na pala. Okay.
Nanadyo na mong sundo. Yay!
Oh, perfect! Para kukunin na ni Lord.
Okay. Intrusive thought. I am one! See the light for the sky, it's a sea. Call me.
Kami ka, Charlene. Dai, pagpuyo sa Dai, kaya mahulog ka tira, Dai. Wala, hindi ako kabalong lang with Dai. Bahala kasi. Dai, magpaon sa hotspot na para direct sa board. Bullshit ka ba? Naka diha. Lubot talaga yung 7%. Kaya mo charge 7%? Oo.
Manawari. Hi guys, we're here in Manawari to eat dinner.
Thank you. Bye-bye.